everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita, right here in my kitchen. Today I would like to share my carnitas recipe with you. So come on, cook with Tita, and let's go to our ingredients. So right here I have pork meat, almost 9 pounds. Okay, it's already washed. 2 cups of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of dill, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, bay leaf, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. We need soy sauce. That would be 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay. And we have some celery, 2 onions. We have some fresh thyme, fresh rosemary, 2 bulbs of garlic, and I harvested some fresh oregano, about half a teaspoon. Okay, I'm using Italian seasoning, that's why I only put a little oregano goes a long way. Okay, so that's it. And we're gonna use 2 cups of water. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm gonna show you how to prepare all your ingredients. This celery, I'm just gonna go ahead and chop it like this. We're going to put this under the meat. Like I said, this has already been washed. Okay, the meaty side down and the fatty side up. See, now you understand why I put the celery on the bottom, because I don't want the bottom to get burnt. So now you understand why I put that in there, to give it a lift and plus good flavoring, right? So anyway, we're going to put our liquid in here because we're going to mix all of our powder ingredients before we pour it in there. Okay, so I need 1 of these, which is 2 cups of water, so that would be 4 cups of liquid total. Okay, so these herbs, just kind of put them in there, put them over here like so. All right, right here, 1 right here. Like I said, my herbs are already clean. Okay, 2 cups of water. All right, my rosemary and things like that. Okay, so now we're going to put our 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon and all of our powder ingredients in here. Okay, this, put them in there. And everything else, the powder in there. Oops. After we put everything in there, mix it really good because they are powder. Okay, so after it's dissolved in there like so, we are going, by the way, we almost forgot our soy sauce. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 4. Let's mix it again. Okie dokie. Okay, so after you mix it, put him aside. What we do, we're just gonna smash the garlic like so. Put him in there. like so. Okay. Okay, that's the garlic. And then now we're going to chop our onion. Now we're just gonna quarter our onion like so, like that. Okay, just put it on the top or on a side. Like so. Push some in a thing like that. Okay, and that's it. Okay, we're done with our vegetable. Let's pour our liquid on top. Kind of disturb it before you pour it. Okay, there you go. All that goodies. Yeah, there you go. Oh my goodness. All right, let's put it on the stove, high heat first until it boiled, and then we're going to slow cook this however long it takes for the meat to get tender. Let's go. As I said, high heat first until it boils, and then we turn it down low. Okay. All right, guys, it took me 7 minutes. It start boiling right now. Okay, it's already time for us to turn it low. Okay, low. So, and then we are going to cover that like so, a jar, not all the way, because you don't want the juice to overflow. If it's completely covered, you know, we might have a accident. And I don't want to, you know, mess. So anywho, we're going to cook it for 1 hour and a half. And then we're gonna come and check, okay? See if our meat is already tender. Otherwise, we'll add more time. All right? And then after I cook my meat, I will show you how it looks, okay? So, until then, all right, guys. It's done. It took me 3 hours because you gotta remember, I have 9 pounds of meat. So it depends how much meat you have, okay? So let's see how tender and how yummy. See that? All right. You see, it's tender, but not overcooked. You understand what I mean? So, oh man, while I was cooking this food, my house smells so good. Okay, so all of that spice and herbs that we put in there, look at that, so tender. Look at that, right? Yeah. Anywho, let's try it. It looks so good and smells so delightful. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So good. See, that's what I'm talking about, guys. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Easy breezy and delicious. All right, so anywho, that's what it is. Carnitas. All right, guys, we're going to crisp up our pork. We already tasted it, and it's so good and very flavorful. So what I did, I preheat iron skillet, okay, and then I put a little vegetable oil, And now we're gonna go ahead and crisp up our carnitas. Okay, guys? So I want the flame or heat really high. We wanna really crispy. Okay? Or not, like I said, you know, when we tasted it, it tastes so good, beautifully flavored. And as you can see, I went ahead and you know, shredded the meat. Okay, so now it's ready. Let me see. Let me drop a little one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's get to it. All right. It's saying yowzy, yummy, yummy for the tummy. Say when you're cooking it. And oh, I thought that was bee leaf. We're gonna go ahead and leave it there and crisp it out for maybe 5-10 minutes. Okay, let me see if it's already. Oh yeah. See, that's what we're looking for. Nice and crisp. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Oh yeah. Like that. Okay. It only took 3 minutes, not 5 minutes. Okay, because we got our heat or our flame really high. And also, that's what's good about having a iron skillet. Hot skillet. Hot tamale. Okay. So, oh my goodness. Now, you know, guys, let me tell you guys, while I'm crisping this meat, oh my goodness, if you just have smelly vision, it's so let me tell you, really, really, really smelling delicious. Okay, so look, it's gonna be like that. Let's cook it for another 3 minutes, huh? Okay, and then we'll see. Okay, so this is brown enough. When I said crisp up, I don't mean that. Brown. Sort of searing your meat, so to speak. Okay? So, 1 more minute and then we're gonna... You see how brown that meat is? See it? Okay? So, we're gonna do that. 1 more minute. Okay, another minute done. So now this looks so good. All right, nice and brown, not too crispy, not too dry, but still nice and moist. Okay, so that's about it. Lickety split. So let's turn off our heat. So there you go, guys. Looks so delicious and easy. And so I'm gonna go ahead and yummy, yummy. Wow, even by itself, guys, so delicious. Oops, my tortilla broke, but oh yum. You can go ahead and squeeze some lemon or lime, whatever you have. You can also put hot sauce, whatever you want. So yummy. Anyway, I hope you like my recipe, guys. Enjoy. Until next time, you cook with your tita right here in my kitchen. As I always say, bon appetit. Bye.